Yeah, just let. Be careful, you might hurt me, ho.
Kunyari ka pa, kaya pala ako pinaupo dito. Umiitim ka na, oh. Alam mo yung itim? Umiitim ka na.
You're getting black. Yeah. Gusto mo blacks?
Oo.
Yeah, see? Mios, enjoying watching you.
Galingan mo, nakatingin ako.
Kahit pa muling umulan, determinado pa rin itong si Tommy.
Oh, yun talaga. Gusto niya papakita yung strength niya, yung strong sa'yo.
Kaya nga.
Determinado siya. Nakakuha mo pa niya.
3,770. 70 na. Bakag na ito, no?
Kasi andito ka nga, hindi yan ganyan kahapon.
So
I can
inspired.
see it. I mean, yes. Wow, more motivation.
Ano ba?
More motivation.
Ayun.
Amalay ko, mas sinabi niya.
Thank you.
Thank you na lang eh.
Cute ka? Wow.
Pag-baby ba?
Thank you. 3,000.
Good job,
Naks naman, Tommy! Iba na talaga ang inspired.
What can you say about me, ho?
Muna tanungin yan.
Ha? Sobrang?
Wow. Ano yung sa English na magaling kang mangbola?
You're a good boy.
Loko, iba talaga si Marco.
She told me you're a good joker. Because when you said she's pretty or she's maganda, she think that you're just joking.
Thanks a lot, boy.
No. No, she's not thinking of that. Playboy? Hindi naman, di ba?
Mo, wala akong sinasabi
Oh,
na
yeah.
doon.
She's not Oy, Marco!
Uy, Marco! Ito ang kumumuro akong sinasabi mo, ha? Ito, ha? Joking!
If you're given the chance to win her heart, how can you fight? Fight? Yeah. Wow. Just to win her heart? Wow. See?
Gusto mong tubig? Dito?